When I'm outside, I'm always looking like this. Duke lid, can't just be any hat, Duke lid. Need a baseball hat, brown sunglasses. Why brown? Because we don't want the blue and green wavelengths to reach our retina. So we want to block those, brown sunglass lenses, and a hat. What's the hat for? Well, the hat protects my forehead, right, because it's covering it. The hat also prevents back reflection against my glasses when the sun's behind me. And one of the myths is, hey, I'm wearing a hat. I'm getting all this protection from the sun. Just like an umbrella, a hat will protect us from the visible light because your face will be in the shade. It'll protect us somewhat from the heat because it blocks the infrared. But ultraviolet rays bounce off everything. When we're swimming in water, that's what it's like to be in the air in reference to ultraviolet rays. They're everywhere. They're coming at you from the ground. They're coming at you from over here. So wearing a hat doesn't give you a ton of protection against ultraviolet rays. Maybe you're getting an SPF of 2. Still got to do it, but it's not giving you as much protection as you think. You know how we know that ultraviolet rays reflect around and are everywhere in the air, almost like water when we're swimming underwater? I'll tell you how. When we look at the Earth from space, not we, but the astronauts, and we, I guess, through the lens of NASA, which I strongly support. When we look at the Earth from space, we see blue ocean, we see green and brown land, we do not see the air. The air is clear, but to us when we look up, we see a blue sky. Why? Because the shorter wavelengths of light, the blue, the most energetic, they're scattered the most. That's also true of ultraviolet rays, only we can't see them. And because they're scattered all over, you know, when you're walking on a sidewalk, they're reflecting up. When you're at the beach, they are reflecting off the water, the sand. We are swimming in an environment of ultraviolet rays, and that's why we need to protect ourselves. Hats give us a little protection, but they give us a ton of protection on our forehead, which they're covering, a ton of protection for our eyes to prevent back reflection when the sun's behind us against our brown sunglasses. And to all of you, got to wear a Duke blue lid, no pale blue Carolina lids. They don't work as well for sun protection. Duke lid is the only way to go for sun protection. This particular Duke lid's a little bit dirty. I have a Great Dane. And when I come home, my Great Dane actually greets me by jumping on my shoulders and taking his hat off my head. So it's tattered, it's battered, but it's light, so it doesn't make my head hot. And I am never outside, not ever, without brown sunglasses and a hat, preferably a Duke lid.
Where's the wisdom?
All right.